Hi students, I just want to show you how to do the Quizlet. So click on your Quizlet game, and the first thing you want to do is close any ads, okay? And you can scroll down to see the whole list of words, and I suggest you copy the words and the definitions. You can click on the audio microphone to hear it. It says frown, a facial expression of dislike or displeasure. Okay, and I can keep going down and I can see all the words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it will 7, 8, 9, 10. And it tells me I already know 4 of them. So let me scroll up and I want to click on the card to see the word. Frown, okay. Now I'm going to click on it and I can see the definition. Now I can advance it by clicking here. And I can click on the card anywhere on the white to see the definition. And I can go through my cards like this and clicking the arrow to go forward or the arrow to go back. And I'm going to keep going forward. I'm on number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is where the ad pops up. So let me just go back and click flashcards. Okay, and then it becomes big like this. Let me close the ad. And now I'm going to click here just to keep going. I can do the next card and I can keep going. Next card, and it's showing me up here that I'm on number 3. Now I'm on number 4. And I can click the arrow number 5, 6. See, number 6. I'm on number 7, number 8. Number 9, and I'm on number 10. Okay, so click that X, but it looks like I'm finished here. I've gone through all of them, so now I want to click back. Okay, and now I'm at the start again. Maybe I am done for now, so I can just close this tab and go back to my classroom page.